Oke, HCIA cloud computing, mulai dari yang pertama ini ada introduction of the cloud computing, three service model yang SPAS, 4 deployment metode deployment, public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, industry cloud, broadband network access, 5 characteristics yang broadband network access, on-demand service, resource pooling, reliability, machine service, resource pooling, on-demand service, broadband. Definisi cloud plus computing, network plus computing. Cloud computing model, not a service, not a product. Definition model, not a service, not a product. The history of the network, ARPANET, TCP/IP, DNS. The history of network. Okay. The history of computing, parallel, distributed, grid computing, parallel computing, distributed computing, grid computing, cloud computing, parallel, distributed, history of computing, parallel, distributed, grid computing, cloud computing, evaluation of cloud computing, utilisasi, otomatisasi, agile application, utilisasi, resource, cloud computing era 1, utilisasi, cloud computing agile application. Virtualization, introduction of the computing virtualization, introduction of the computing virtualization, introduction of computing VM, process folder, data file, and configuration file, data, history of computing, IBM, VMware, Microsoft, Docker. History of computing, IBM, VMware, Microsoft, Docker, hypervisor, type, bare metal server, hosted virtualization, hypervisor. Karakteristik cloud computing, karakteristik of cloud computing, virtualisasi, karakteristik of computing, partition, isolated, encapsulated, independent. Hypervisor ini tipenya ada bare metal sama server dan hosted virtualization. Between the physical between physical and operating system, between the physical and operating system, the couple relationship between the hardware and the operating system, between the hardware dan operating system, dan between physical dan operating system, the couple relationship. Karakteristik virtualisasi dari cloud computing, partition, isolated, encapsulated, independent. CPU virtualization, cloud virtualization, CPU virtualization, full virtualization, the perform full virtualization the performance is worse, para the performance is better, hardware assisted virtualization the performance is best, para virtualisasi performance is better, full virtualisasi the performance is worse, ya CPU virtualisasi, hardware assist virtualization the performance is best, memory virtualization memory I/O virtualization full virtualization, para virtualization sama I/O true, I/O virtualization I/O true, CPU hardware assisted virtualization the performance is best, KVM kernel virtualization model, kernel based virtualization model integrated into the Linux kernel, KVM kernel based virtualization model, integrated in the Linux server component, kernel virtualization model which is integrated into the Linux kernel component, KVM demo virtualization, I/O virtualization, libvirt management interface, komponennya ada libvirt management interface, komponennya ada KVM, Vimo, I/O virtualization. Vimo I/O virtualization berarti untuk storage CPU, storage ya, I/O. Vimo I/O virtualization, KVM CPU plus memory, KVM CPU dan memory virtualization, kemudian untuk I/O virtualization. Libvirt adalah management interface, Notebook using lib, we can develop multiple management using Java, Python. Shortwork multiple hypervisor which can be multiple shortwork ini bisa multiple hypervisor which is can be KVM, FC, and I/O virtualization, default way, full virtual default way, Virtio itu para virtualization untuk I/O virtualization, demo I/O virtualization, libvirt KVM I/O virtualization, Fusion Compute di virtualization component of Fusion Compute virtualization component, management component, introduction of computing virtualization, Fusion Compute virtualized component, management component, CNA computing not agent. Compute virtualization component dan management virtualization component, CNA management component, RM computing node agent, virtualization of the node dan virtualization of the node dan management of the node. Software ini untuk bisa digunakan KVM FC. Virtualization Management. Virtualization komponen CNE, bikin compute management komponennya VRM, Virtual Resource Management. Ini cluster level management, storage management, cluster level management untuk storage, compute sama network. Sedangkan virtualization komponen CNA, Computing Node Agent, virtualization of the node. Oke, lanjut Fusion Compute, Virtualization Component, sama Management Component. Virtualization Component, CNC, Management Component, VRM. VRM ini untuk cluster manajemen, untuk storage, compute, sama network. Sedangkan CNE atau Computing Node Agent komponen itu untuk virtualisasi node dan manajemen of the node. The network arsitektur shortnet, ini udah selesai, berarti untuk yang virtualisasi, computing virtualization. Kemudian selanjutnya adalah introduction of the network virtualization. Introduction of the network tadi adalah computing, compute virtualization, sekarang network virtualization. Oke. Ada the network arsitektur, physical network, logical network, network feature of Huawei product, network feature of Huawei product, network arsitektur, physical network, network arsitektur, physical network, logical network, sama network feature of Huawei product. The network arsitektur, short node traffic, network arsitektur, physical network, logical, ada physical network, logical network, sama network feature, network feature of Huawei product. Yang physical network, logical, ada network arsitektur 4 ya, ada network arsitektur, physical network, logical network, sama network feature, fisik, logik, sama arsitektur. Dan terakhir ada network feature, ada network arsitekturnya, ada fisiknya, ada logiknya, sama ada fiturnya. Ini dia fitur Huawei product. Networknya ini short node traffic, east-west traffic, relationship between NIC, NIC, dan VMNP switch. Basic network concept, broadcast was a big group. Okay, unicast, routing, sama VLAN. VLAN, different network segment wants to communicate. VM indifferent, indifferent network segment wants to communicate. VLAN, for the efficient delivery of data packet in the layer 2, we use VLAN to scale down the broadcast scope. Short node traffic, east-west traffic, sama not short traffic, the traffic which data center goes to south-east ya, traffic which has to go through the internet, has not go east-west. Short node ya, short node. The traffic must not go to internet. Kebalik pokoknya nih. Ini kebalik nih, harusnya yang short node itu yang go to internet. East west not go to internet. The relationship between NIC, ya, the network architecture relationship between. What is the northwest, northeast traffic? What is short node? What is short node? Not short. Into dan out to data center. Not short. Kembali ke it's not good. East west. Within the data center, salah telepon. East-west traffic, the traffic which data traffic goes to in the data center, ya. East-west data center. Short node is go to internet. Okay, basic network. Basic network concept. Basic network concept: broadcast, unicast, routing, VLAN. Broadcast seperti speaker, trompet, unsafe, and cause a big load to the network. Unicast itu individual to individual, one to one communication. Routing, VM in the different network segment wants to communicate. For the efficient delivery of a data packet in the layer 2, we use VLAN to scale down the broadcast scope. Physical network, the basic concept, relation between NIC, VM, architecture relation untuk network virtualization. Kalau tadi computing virtualization, compute virtualization. Broadcast, unicast, routing sama VLAN, physical network, router to connect to internet, layer to switch to accelerate the data packet delivery in the local area network, can not replace the router. Ya, NIC layer 2 aksesnya management switch separately in the big service system or combine the function together into the switch. Layer switch to accelerate the data packet delivery in the local network. Kalau ini layer 2 switch, close to the storage switch service, switch management switch separately in big service system or combine the function together into the one switch in small service system where the budget low. Physical network, accelerate packet delivery to local area network, and IC physical form, not bundle sama physical form bundle. The logical form to delivery the management service storage traffic. Logical form, network interface card, the adapter, bridge, NIC and VM, NIC of the VM and NIC of the host connected directly. They means they are in the same network segment. Langsung connect antara VM, NIC VM dan NIC di host secara langsung, artinya dia dalam satu network, satu segmen. Wants to connect to the outside are the translation. Virtual share at Ethernet device in the Linux. Tab. Virtual switch. Komponennya ada security-nya, QoS-nya, traffic monitoring, automatic control, traffic queuing decouple, in synchronization, traffic limitation to control the outburst of the traffic, to send the traffic and average speed monitoring, automatic control, distributed virtual switch for the host migration, logical control, distributed virtual switch for the host migration, host only using the network cable directly connected, using the network cable directly, using host only using the network cable to directly connect to the host. Logical network. Oke, the net ini masih untuk network virtualization. Introduction of network virtualization. Network feature of Huawei product. Network feature of Huawei product. Arsitektur, traffic flow, security group. Arsitektur Huawei product, arsitekturnya ada uplink. Uplink ini connect the tunnel between the host and distributed vSwitch. Management interface will be connected to the DVS ini ya, in the connection tunnel between the host and distribute. The management interface will connected to DVS. Port group connect port of the same properties. Port group collect port of the same properties of the switch leader to the convenient management. Usually we have classified the NIC of the VM into the group. Arsitektur ada uplink, network feature ya ada uplink, ada port. Masalah itu ini ya. Ini kayak VM udah. Yang networknya baru. Yang tadi router, layer 2 switch, layer 3 switch sama NIC. Bridge itu langsung dengan get missing. NAT itu ada translation-nya, binding, rigid. Ini di uplink, post mesin, uplink. Ini ada port group ya. Oh, ini uplink dulu baru port group. Uplink dulu baru port group. Uplink dulu baru port group. Ini dia port group. Ini ada VLAN production atau VLAN management, VLAN storage, ada uplink. Security group set of the rules to allow the data a certain protocol to pass, reject the data certain protocol to pass. Different host sama host, traffic flow in different host. different host selalu ya same port group maupun different port group itu harus selalu melalui physical switch. Same group maupun satu grup tapi berbeda host. Kalau berbeda host ini host 1 host 2 selalu melalui physical. Untuk same host not go through physical switch. VM different port group. Different port group dengan same host dia langsung, sedangkan kalau beda host dia selalu physical. Di sini beda grup, satu beda grup, beda port group, satu mesin physical juga lewatnya. Kalau di sini security group a set of rule to allow the data certain product to pass, reject and data certain security group architecture uplink group. Uplink port group different host. Tadi network sudah, yang sudah itu adalah satu compute virtualization, network virtualization. Ini yang satu lagi storage network. Storage network. Storage virtualization. Storage virtualization ada virtualization features, terus ada storage virtualization. Ada dua doang ya, feature sama storage virtualization. FPPMS has its own resources. Storage virtualization. Oke, kita lanjut lagi nanti di sini untuk storage virtualization.